40-29, it's an 11-point lead. Braga East finds Nahorda, open for 3, wala! Pero nando na si Disquitado, ibinigay kay Braga East. Nice drop on the part of Disquitado. About for Obrasio. At ayan, big hustle on the part of Disquitida. Nasa mga taga kung siya pang-iniba na sana ang bola, pero with the hustle of those players of Obrasio. And look at that, nakascore na naman si Nahorda with that floater. Nakasumpit pa ng foul mula dito kay De La Cruz.
Yun ang sinasabi natin.
Look at slow-mo.
Yes, partner. So yun ang partner dun sa ginagawa nitong mga taga-Paracale. Again, they should be composed on this part of the game.
Yes, partner. Ayan na. What a block ni Jamo Aguilos kay John Zanares. Pero that is a good effort, partner. Still, tama ka nga, partner. The light among the dark. Si Mandak talaga is carrying Team Mercedes right now. But, partner, it is a 20-point lead.
Yes, partner. Sabi nga natin, di kaya ng isang player yan.
Yes, kaya
kailangan nila team effort.
The ball to Caseron. Kobe, top of the key tray. No good. Nakuha ni Natividad. Out gets to Viernes. Foot race against two. Stops. One-legged fadeaway. Bucket.
That was too easy for Jeff Viernes, partner.
Ng mga taga San Vicente. Froilan thinks of hitting another 3 pero ipinasa niya ang bola at yun, naagaw. Eto na si Braga East! What a beautiful finish on the part of this 5'10", 28-year-old guy.
Natividad again for 3. No good. Ayun na si Mandak. 1-on-1 against Perez. Mandak spins. What a shot, partner. Jomar Alvarez for 3. These guys in yellow are enjoying the ball game, partner.
Yes, yun ang ginagawa nila dito, partner. Kasi nga, medyo nakaula itong mga taga-Paracale dito. And again, yun na nga, kanina pa nila hinahanap yung puntos na yan para kay Escocio. Pahingahan naman masyado nitong coaches, nitong Mercedes, partner. Pero again, ayan, still they are fighting para maibaba yung mga kalamangan na yan dito sa larong ito. And again, partner, batiin ko lang din yung mga kagrupo ko dyan, yung MTH Basketball Club sa Iriga. And also, yung daming basketball club sa Iriga.
Yes. Caseron gets the board but Jeff Viernes secures the possession. And ang Viernes, no look pass to Orijola. Tumanawag, and that is Paracale basketball for you, sharing the ball.
Harry Villanueva. This time sa opposite side, ang inbound. Braga East! Oh!